Okay, so today you are going to be working on percent proportions extra practice. This is our fourth time seeing this information, so I'm not going to do too much today as this is going to be independent practice. You're going to be working on your own. I'm going to set up a couple of problems just to refresh your memory from yesterday. There is an answer document with this assignment, so you're going to submit your work and your answer document after you are finished. And then you have a quiz over this tomorrow, okay? So looking at numbers just look at number one. Number one says 6 is, so it is 20% of what number? So of means X, okay? So remember our is over of equals percent over 100, okay? I do want you to press pause already, and I want you to set this up and solve it, and then you can check to see if you are correct when you have finished. Okay, so you should have gotten that 30 is X. If you did not, you'll want to press pause and find your mistake and then continue on. Looking at number 2. Number 2 says what number, so it doesn't know what number, but it's asking what number is. So that's our part. 19%, of course, is our percent, and it says of 200, okay? So we need our part. So remember your part is your is, which is on top. So you have X over 200 equals 19 over 100. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to have 100x equals 200 times 19. Okay, so let's multiply that out. 200 times 19. 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 0 is 0, and 9 times 2 is 18. 0 for a place value holder. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 2 is 2. 0, 0, 8, 3. All I did was add those numbers, and I get 100x equals 3,800. Okay, so then our last step is to divide by 100. And x equals 3,800 divided by 100. 100 goes into 3 0 times, and into 38 0 times, and into 383 times. Okay, so that 3 is minus 300, so 380 minus 300 is 80. Bring your 0 down, and 100 goes into 808 times. So 800 minus 800 is 0, and x equals 38. Okay, so I'm going to do one more problem with y'all, and then you are on your own. It says Mallory has $5 in her wallet. This is 10% of her monthly income. So if $5 is 10% of her monthly income, is that the part or the whole? It should be the part. So if it's only $5 is only 10%, that's only a little bit of it. So that's your part. And then what is her monthly allowance? That's her total, which is her whole. Okay, so we have part over whole. So we have 5. And then we're trying to find our whole. So that's our x equals 10 over 100. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply and get 10 times x equals 5 times 100. 10x equals 500. And then, of course, our final step is to divide by 10 on both sides. 500 divided by 10. 10 goes into 5 0 times and into 50 5 times. Minus 50 is 0. Bring down your 0, and 10 goes into 0 0 times. Okay, so then x equals 50. Okay, awesome. So again, when you finish, you have an answer document, and you're going to take a picture of your work. Okay, Good luck, and remember you have a quiz tomorrow that is open note.